Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Randu with student number 2304-2307. I will present an article entitled The Institutional Arrangement of Legal Norms Review in Indonesia. Term for testing legal norms. The terms for testing legal norms legislation can be divided based on the subject and object of regulation. Judging from the subject carrying out the test can be carried out by a judge. Next, integration of test objects. In the idea of one-stop testing at MK, it is necessary to integrate test objects, namely A. Testing of the TAP MPR against the 1945 Constitution. Legal review of the 1945 Constitution. C. Review of legislative regulation under the law. Next, current legal norm testing design issues. Several design problems for testing legal norms today, namely: number 1, the number of institutions involved in testing norms, namely the Constitutional Court, the Supreme Court, and the Minister of Home Affairs Governor. Number 2, the problem of test objects that do not have clear boundaries. Number 3, in practice, the issue of testing benchmark create complexity, especially in the use of benchmarks in assessing conflicting legal norms. Next, benchmark testing objects in MA. The benchmark for the object of testing at the Supreme Court is the law or the Constitutional Court's decision. But the problem is that there are many. For example, government regulation and regional regulation that do not conflict with the law, but the conflict with the 1945 Constitution. For example, in testing the water resource law. Next, according to Jim Lee Acidic, the reason is that the TAP MPR or MPRS has an equal position with the law. According to Jim Lee Acidic, the MPR or MPRS TAP has an equal position with the law, not with the Constitution. The reasons are: number 1, since TAP MPR number 1 MPR 2003. The MPR itself has lowered the legal status of the all legacy MPR TAPs to a degree that is equivalent to law, not the Constitution. Number 2, the MPR's TAP must be considered equivalent in its position to the law. Number 3, if the legal status of the TAP MPR or MPRS cannot be determined firmly. Okay, that's the result of my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.